Sight enemy, dog, we don't trust them.
Yeah.
Stack money, fuck y'all, and it hot them. Them follow what we do, how we set trend.
Girl. No, sorry. Young lady. I am reaction boss. When I see booty on females, I look. And I just see some beautiful cheeks right there. And what's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I will back with another reaction video for you guys now. Right now, people who said so. We're going to go over Trinidad later in the night. Right now, you hear me say? Right now. You see me? Third video after there. Right now, I have an act to them called LucratiV. Song called TvSixx. Official music with the people. Wanted to support the artists, I say follow the artist on Instagram at LucratiV_TT. Big up to those people. Check out everything for the artists down below in the description box down below. Big up to the producers, big up to everybody. Let me see, hold on. We could go so. You see me, I say big up LV Entertainment. You see me, I say big up the director. You see me, I say Cameron, Campo. You see me, I say big up everybody. Connect with LucratiV on Instagram. I say LucratiV_TT. You see me, I say people. Make us see what I'm going for the video right now. TvSixx. We see what I want to know what we don't know what to expect. We don't know if it's a girl song, it's a gun. Red tune! Hold on there. Red tune! Right. Alright then.
Money and things done. Tell them pussy don't study about weed and
Lord, me jealous already.
me hungry for friends.
Me jealous already. Me jealous already. I have too much money. I flap the you know what? Run. Hold on, I'm see girls. Alright, I'm happy. I'm happy. We see woman. Red tune. Yeah. Yeah.
Money and things done. Tell them pussy don't study about weed and feel me hungry for friend and I done.
Yeah.
Don't keep a tight circle, one done. Hey. Miss
CJ.
Hey. The pussy them sell news like TvSixx Asia. But me never lose, get interest like media.
Yeah.
Them coulda run about, bust up them out. They want the clown, failure. Them sell news like TvSixx Asia. But me never lose, me learn from Adija. Them coulda run about, bust up them out. They love the clown. Hey.
Hold on. Pull up a tune. What them I do? What kind of news them I send? What them I say? Go on.
See them sell news like TvSixx Asia.
Yeah.
But me never lose, get interest like media.
Never lose.
Them coulda run about, bust up them out. They want the clown, failure. Them sell news like TvSixx Asia. But me never lose, me learn from Adija. Them coulda run about, bust up them out. They love the clown, hey, what? Them don't like we don't like them.
Shit.
Pussy watch me, but
No
me
one
don't watch.
pause. They say if you don't like me don't like you either. You have to keep the same energy down. But hold on, see something we think in the tower pass, so say I've been at a master.
If I lose, me learn from Adija. Them coulda run about, bust up them out. They love the
See
clown,
there?
hey,
What him there?
what?
I know I fuck it gone. Go on.
Them don't like me
Do say
don't like them. Pussy watch me, but me don't watch them. Sight enemy, dog, me don't trust them.
Yeah.
Stack money, fuck y'all, and it hot them. Them follow what we do, how we set trend.
Girl. No, sorry. Young lady. I am reaction boss. When I see booty on females, I look. And I just see some beautiful cheeks right there. And you know what? Let me pause. Run tune!
Them girl follow we too, so we fuck
Woo!
them. Tight pussy and weed are the anthem. Tight pussy and the pussy them sell news like TvSixx Asia. But me never lose,
that's
get
like
interest
a
like
vibe.
media. Them coulda run about, bust up them out.
Yeah.
They want the clown, failure. Them sell news like TvSixx Asia. But me never lose, me learn from
Oh, it's a
Adija.
vibe. And the girl just, she just spark it up a little. Oh, my blood. What me tell you about me like so, woman? Me pass me in the right place, the right time, on the right hour. Booty o'clock. But yo, the song has a vibes. Run back in there a little bit. It makes a bright star with over what? The outer view. Or outer view. Anyways, hold on. Big up yourself. Man, I start the cash. Do say. Not if I say 40, but I do say something now. You see me? Retro.
Just like media. Them coulda run about, bust up them out.
Yeah.
They want the clown,
Yeah.
Them sell news lose like TvSixx station. But me never lose.
It's a vibe now, no joke.
Them coulda run about, bust up them all.
Yeah.
They love the clown.
Hey, yeah.
What? So miss me with a fake smile. Can't diss me with your small bribe. Dirty bad mind. Easy on me get mine. No pussy cannot take mine. Hey, run the city like the mayor. Man a rebel like Mandela. Fuck the music a cappella. See
We did that
that
wait, buddy. We did that wait. We just know someone gonna fuck up the rhythm a while ago that. We did that wait. I was waiting. I just knew I was gonna tear up the rhythm. So, yo, we did that. You see me just made that message, so dog. We are wait for the dog. Bumbleclad. The TvSixx outside like that. The me I say, red tune.
Bill a legacy deliver hit track. We lot. We don't study about no fucking idiot. Them try bad mind, but them can't bad mind.
Shit.
Money can't stop. Lucrative
Rich.
money can't stop.
Rich like TvSixx.
Them can't bad mind.
But intimation type people, I want to do now. I want to go check out the artists on all them social media platform. Them as I say, LucratiV_TT on Instagram. Go follow him. I'm gonna make him know the reaction bar sending over there. So you did me I say, I want to go under the video right now. You see, after me post a reaction, the video just go live. Just a while ago. Just go live a while ago. So I want to go measure for yourself. You did me I say, measure it for yourself. Make him know the reaction bar sending over. So go run up your numbers. Like up the video. Drop BFI emoji in the comment section over there. So you did me I say, BFI emoji. Make him know the reaction bar sending over there. No, run through.
All them try bad mind. Money can't stop. Young Stitchy make money non-stop.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
they pussy them
yeah.
sell news like TvSixx station. But me never lose, get interest like
You want a girl like
media.
Instagram.
Them coulda
You
run
want
about,
that Instagram.
bust up them all.
I want
They
to
want
dream
clout,
down.
failure. Them sell news like
want that
TvSixx
Instagram
station. But
right
me
now.
never lose, me learn from a
You
teacher.
girl.
Them coulda run about, bust up them.
Lucrative if you're a woman. If you're a woman, doesn't. I defeat them bed if I. But me want that Instagram. Go on.
They love the clown. Hey, what?
Song is called
Money and things done. Tell them pussy don't study about weed and feel me hungry for friend and night. Feel me hungry for friend and night. Dan.
Why you flip my arm? It's a vibe. It's a whole vibe. It's a whole vibe. Song bad. Video bad too. Want a girl on Instagram right now. Me fuck you right now. Not the morning. I want to go on this, sir. Look at the more stuff. Go see what I go for the one. Follow LucratiV_TT. What I want to name? Sure. You must say mad. Too much fat pump up girl, boy. Yeah, me I say, big up for yourself. Please go and support LucratiV. Go watch the video for yourself. Click the link down below. The link to the original song is going to be pinned in the comment section. And it's also going to be in the description. LucratiV Instagram is also going to be in the description of the video. So I want to just go mess it for yourself. Make him know the reaction bar selling over there. So big up for yourself. Go and go support the artist and support me too. Support the artist and so you support the reaction bars. Peace out.